The cutting-edge technology of 3D scanning has multiple applications in American Holt's reverse engineering process. We utilize the Faro-designed scan arm. The scan arm features 7 degrees of freedom, or points of articulation, a scan accuracy of 75 micrometers, and a point capture rate of 500,000 points per second. To translate, its primary application of laser scanning allows highly accurate geometry capturing of parts with irregular, rough, complex, or organic features often present in castings. The scanner features a large range of operation, with the ability to capture both small and very large objects. As the hardware scans the parts, the data is captured by Geomagic Design X software. This software can combine multiple partial scans, measure geometry, perform deviation analysis between scans, or between scans and CAD models. These scans are then used as reference in the construction of CAD models, which in turn are used to create engineering drawings, all serving the purpose to ensure dimensional accuracy. In addition to reverse engineering, we also utilize the scan arm for quality control. Parts received from vendors can be scanned and compared against CAD models to ensure the parts were manufactured correctly.